If your microphone is not working in Discord, you're going to see this message. Well, it looks like Discord is not detecting any input from your mic. Let's fix that. So go ahead and click on Visit Settings button. Now, if you don't get that error message and your microphone is still not working, go ahead and go to Settings button. And here on the left-hand side, locate voice and video. So first thing you want to do is click on Let's Check button. As you can see, my microphone is working. So you see that yellow bar going up and down. Now, if this button is grayed out or your microphone is just not working, first make sure you unplug it and disconnect it and then plug it back in. Now, if it's still not working, go ahead and go to this drop down here. And you should be able to find the name of your microphone here. If you found it there, but it was not selected, so go ahead and select that and click on the Let's Check button again. Now, make sure that your input volume is set to maximum here by dragging this slider. Now here, input sensitivity should not have any effect on whether your mic is working or not. That's for filtering out keyboard sounds. Now here, make sure push to talk is not selected. You don't want that option selected. Now guys, if it's still not working, in the lower right corner, right click on the speaker icon and go to Open Sound Settings. Now on this window, scroll down and click Sound Control Panel link over here. It's going to open speaker settings by default. So what you want to do is go to the recording tab here in the upper left corner. Now on my list, I actually have to scroll down to find my microphone right here. Yours might be on top of the list. So one thing here you might want to do to bring your microphone back to life is right click on your microphone. Now click Disable and right click again and click Enable. Now, if after you disable it, it doesn't show on the list, what you can do is right click anywhere and click on Show Disabled Devices. Make sure that's checked and make sure Show Disconnected Devices is checked as well. Once you see your disconnected mic on the list again, right click and enable it. If it's still not working, go ahead and right click and go to Properties. Now here, most settings are not going to be very useful. But what you can do is go to Advanced tab here. Now here, check and uncheck allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode applications priority. Try checking and unchecking these settings and clicking the Apply button. Now on the Listen tab, there's really not much we can do. I would probably uncheck Listen to this device checkbox. Now back to General tab here, just make sure that device usage here in the drop-down, make sure that use this device is enabled. Now, if your mic is still not working, go ahead and go to Properties. Make sure it says here your device is working properly. Now you can check driver details here, but you can also update your driver, which at this point is probably what the issue is. So at this point, I would head over to the Start button and type Device Manager. Try to find your mic on the list of the devices and troubleshoot it from there. To be honest, at this point, it's probably not even a Discord issue. All right, guys, and I hope that this tutorial helped at least some people solve their microphone issues with Discord.